Raviz Kovalam, a heritage hotel that was the erstwhile residence of the Travancore Royal family. Here's a full property view of this splendid rooftop resort in Kovalam, Kerala. This is the reception in the main building, beautiful and very spacious. So that's our welcome drink, and this is the restaurant in the main building. This is where the buffet breakfast, which is usually complimentary, is served. The restaurant sitting area is adjacent to the infinity pool. The buffet had an amazing spread. The other end of the sitting area had a balcony with a gorgeous view of the sea. The infinity pool is definitely worth a visit, and you can spend some time lolling in and around the pool. This is a second swimming pool in the Raviz campus. Beautiful one. So the private beach is actually a corner of the Samudra beach. It's not exactly private, as in technically other people can walk in and around the beach, but that's just for what they're allowed to do, because all the amenities provided by the hotel on the beach, like the shaded relaxing chairs, the beach umbrellas, the changing rooms, the shower stalls, the fancy water, all that is restricted for hotel people staying in the hotel.